coronary artery disease, CAD, which happens when the blood vessels supplying your heart get narrowed or blocked due to plaque buildup. This can further lead to heart attacks and strokes. Now let us come to other heart diseases which are actually a leading hazard worldwide, as heart disease sometimes could be a silent killer if we overlook its early symptoms. Other types of heart diseases include peripheral arterial diseases. It develops when plaque forms in the arteries that supply blood to the arms and legs. Symptoms include pain in the legs that worsens when walking. Congenital heart disease. It occurs during the birth of a child. It affects the heart's structure and functions. Its common symptoms are blue or grey skin, swelling in the legs, abdomen or around the eyes, and breathing difficulty. Heart valve disease. In this disease, your heart valves don't open or close properly, which can alter the blood flow in the wrong direction. Its symptoms include fatigue, shortness of breath, palpitations, and chest pain. Arrhythmia. Arrhythmia is an irregular heartbeat. It is actually a problem with the rhythm of your heart. Your heart can beat too quickly or too slowly or with an irregular rhythm. Now let's discuss about heart failure. It is a condition when your heart is unable to pump enough blood efficiently to fulfill the body's requirements. Well, there are a number of heart diseases that come under the same category with some similar or some different symptoms. I have explained to you the top 5 heart diseases which have affected a major population. Now let us move on to the causes of heart disease. How your heart gets damaged and stops doing its work efficiently. The first cause is high blood pressure. No doubt, hypertension is the leading cause of cardiovascular disease, affecting 1.3 billion people worldwide and 10 million deaths each year. High cholesterol, especially the bad cholesterol LDL, leads to the formation of plaque in the arteries, restricting proper blood flow, which eventually causes heart diseases. If you have diabetes, you might be susceptible to heart disease like heart failure, coronary artery disease, and cardiomyopathy. Diabetes damages the blood vessels and nerves in the heart. The next cause is your overweight. Yes, obesity puts extra stress on the heart and leads to other risk factors. If you are fond of consuming excessive alcohol, then you may develop heart disease, as too much alcohol can raise blood pressure and damage the heart. No doubt, genetics is also one of the major causes of heart disease. Your family history can also play a significant role in heart disease risk. Disease and stress go hand in hand. There is a disease also. Poor lifestyle and stressful routine may also put you on the side of heart disease risk. Smoking is also one of the major causes of heart disease. 1 out of every 5 deaths happens due to smoking in the US. When you smoke, the chemicals present in the cigarette damage the heart and blood vessels, leading to plaque buildup in the arteries. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But don't worry, it is preventable with natural and holistic medicines. Homeopathy can treat heart issues with no side effects and bring overall relief to the condition in less time. Homeopathic medicines are light and white sugar globules dipped in the potentized alcohol-based medicines that directly dissolve in your blood and start acting on the disease. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of heart patients worldwide, and we are continuously working in the same line to bring holistic relief. We are a team of experienced doctors who prescribe a personalized and customized treatment after a proper case taking. If you have any doubts related to heart issues and treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us today. Thanks. Have a nice day.